Hello, welcome to Patch Math, where today we are going to continue patching your math knowledge over writing linear equations. In the last video, we were given a point and a slope, and we were asked to find the slope-intercept form of that line, and we did. Now remember, I modified the problem, and originally it asked us to find the standard form, but the standard form is the least useful form. It's the fancy form. And it's also the form you get once you go through slope-intercept form first. Now, that is what I consider the path of least resistance is going through slope-intercept form first. Let's remind ourselves what the standard form is. Now, in addition to this formula of Ax plus By equaling C, it's important to remember that there are restrictions on what A and B are coefficients and what C, our constant, can be. A must be a natural number. That's a fancy way of saying positive, whole in value, not fraction, not decimal. All right. And that also needs to be non-zero. But remember, the natural numbers start at 1, so that already has non-zero built into it. B and C must be non-zero integers. Integers are both positive and negative numbers that are whole in value. In other words, no fractions, no decimals. But B and C cannot be 0. And 0 is in the set of integers, so we must explicitly say not 0. With those restrictions in place, what is the strategy for converting from slope-intercept form to standard form? It is to get your constant by itself and your x and y together on one side. So that's our goal. Constant by itself and x and y together on one side. So we're going to do the opposite operation of how that x is attached to that 2. There is a minus 1x there, or minus x, so the opposite operation is to add it. That cancels it out there. Now, recognize we do not have to show that 1, all right? You're going to see why I'm getting red. You're going to see why I'm showing that 1 here in a minute. So we get 1x plus, that is y, also known as 1y. There is an invisible 1 there. We're getting ready to see why I'm showing that, and that's equal to 2. So we've got the structure, x and y together on one side, and the constant by itself. But have we met the restrictions? And let's see, is A positive and whole? Yep, 1 is positive and whole. Is B non-zero and an integer? Yep, 1 is a non-zero integer. Is C a non-zero integer? Yeah, 2 is a non-zero integer. And there you have it, converting slope-intercept form to standard form real quickly. Thank you so much for your time.